See $1. Woo, look at that. Oh, $2. Oh, and by the way, when you don't have a machine that has high traffic, you have expiration dates. So we got to clear all the chips out just because they're expired, which is going to be, of course, a waste of money. But, you know, this is what you get when you don't have a high traffic location. So let's get all these old snacks out. All right, I don't like me wasting money. I don't like wasting time. And so what we're gonna do is we actually posted this vending machine on Facebook Marketplace. I had a buyer reach out to me within 3 days of having it listed, and he's coming down from Houston, Texas, which is about an hour from where I'm located at, and he's apparently buying it. So he hasn't seen it in person. I'm going to let him know all the things that I had trouble with, but as you guys know, this is an operating machine. It's currently selling snacks, but this location isn't doing so hot. I don't want to waste any more time and money on it. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of this one machine, probably take that capital, invest it in either the stock market, with there being crazy discounts right now, or invest in another machine and just find a better location. So we are going to head to that location, show him the machine. He's actually coming down with the trailer and everything needed to move the machine out of this location. So he seems pretty serious. Anyways, let's get over there, show him what's going on with the machine, and see if we can get it sold. So we got it all emptied out. I emptied out the coin mech also. I felt like I was winning the lottery when we were clicking these buttons. Oh, hey, look. Ooh. 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 More money. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Jesus. It's not what I had in plan. Oh. All right, we got the whole machine cleared out, and now we're just waiting for the buyer to get here. So stay tuned. All right, guys, they are buying it. But we're gonna go ahead and help them while we're here. We got the pallet jack that they brought. This one's gonna be perfect because it should be able to fit underneath the machine. First the wheel, this son of a out the door. This machine is 600 pounds. It's not fun to move. So we have 3 guys total, me, and then he also brought himself the helpers to move this guy out of here. So we're gonna get everything situated, loaded up, and we agreed on selling the machine for $1,000. So he paid me $400 in cash, and his buddy paid me the rest of the 600 over Zelle. So got the money, we're gonna get this load up and get it out of here. Well guys, they bought the machine, we got it out of here. A lot easier than expected, to be honest with you. They came wanting the machine, so I'm getting in the manual, got the power cable, and we gotta load it up. All right guys, so we made it back to the house. We got our $400 in cash. He went ahead and sent the other $600 through Zelle. So we made a grand total of $1,000 for this machine. I am kind of glad that that machine is out of my hair. It was a little bit too much for me to deal with, and so I don't have to deal with it anymore. So right now we of course have our 2 other machines at good locations. They're making money every single day, and that's what it's all about in this vending machine business, is you want to have high traffic locations and you want to make good sales every single day. So that being said, that's going to wrap up this video. I appreciate every single one of you for sticking around. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for future content. Peace. There she goes.